This was a $5 piece of wood. Rough, cheap, completely overlooked, but today it's getting a second life. We start by cleaning the surface. Dust, dirt, and moisture have built up over time. Compressed air is used to dry everything completely. At this point, there's no clear plan yet. So we begin with sandblasting. And then the idea forms. Epoxy resin. The resin is mixed at a 2:1 ratio. Then mica powder is added. Mica is a mineral-based additive that improves flexibility, toughness, and helps the resin bond better to wood. The mixture is applied to the surface. Heat is used to remove air bubbles and help the resin settle evenly. As it cures, the texture changes, becoming denser, almost fossil-like. To continue shaping, an acrylic mold is prepared. This container needs to be completely sealed to prevent any leakage. Next, a new batch of epoxy is mixed. This time, a low-viscosity, high-permeability resin is used. It has a slow curing cycle. In fact, it takes up to 10 days to fully harden. But that's important because the slow curing process allows air bubbles to escape naturally, resulting in a clearer, more stable finish. The resin is poured into the mold, then the wood is placed inside, fully submerged. Now, we wait. After the resin has completely cured, the mold is removed. And now the transformation is visible. But it's still unfinished. Now begins the longest stage, sanding. First rough shaping, then refining. After about an hour of sanding, only part of the surface is complete, and the process continues. More sanding, more shaping. Hours pass until the form finally starts to appear, but this is only the beginning. Finer sandpaper is used step by step until the entire surface becomes smooth and even. Now comes polishing. 3 different polishing compounds are used. Each one removes fine scratches and enhances the surface clarity, creating a deep, glossy finish. Next, the wood section is treated. Black wood dye is applied to balance the overall colour. Then the grip area is finished in white. A clean contrast, simple but effective. To protect everything, a food-grade wood coating is applied. This seals the surface, adds durability, and enhances the texture. Finally, the excess oil is wiped off. And just like that, this $5 piece of wood has been completely transformed from something worthless into something refined. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.